This is the black single handle waterfall faucet for your bathroom sink. The package includes the faucet, a pop-up drain, and 2 faucet connector hoses. Once the faucet is turned on, you can tilt it up all the way for the strongest flow. It turns on very easy and smooth. This is the pop-up drain. Super easy to use. There's not really much to explain, so just see for yourself. The whole design of the faucet looks quite modern, and I really love how it looks, feels, and works. Personally, I'm very pleased with this faucet. I had it for almost a year now, and the quality is very good. I definitely would get the same faucet again if I needed another one, and I would highly recommend this one if you are looking for one like this.